Shambhavi Chaudhary is joining us, the Member of Parliament of the Lok Jan Shakti Party from Samastipur. I just want to show our viewers on the NDTV leaderboard where her party stands. I mean, of course, the alliance is one very big, but even amongst them, questions were asked of the kind of quality of tickets that had been given by Chirag Paswan. He's answered his critics in a very resounding fashion. The BJP at 90, the JDU at 81, RJD at 20. If I look alliance-wise and look at the breakup over there, the Lok Jan Shakti Party has done incredibly well. That is the critical point over here. 21, which is up 20 seats from the last time. JDU at 81. Congratulations on your alliance's victory and also on the performance of your own regional formation, Shambhavji.
Thank you, Rahulji. Thank you so much. And I remember we had recently met at the conclave and I said I'm going to come back on your channel after NDA wins. And I think it's been a landslide victory for NDA and so far for Lok Jan Shakti Party.
Is this way beyond your wildest imagination? Forget the Kante ki takkar. This is as our headline now says, tsunami, because you got a tsunamo, like a Nemo. So tsunamo in Bihar.
See, we were very definite of our victory. Like I said earlier also that there was no doubt that NDA was winning this election. But of course, we were working very hard on the margin, on the number of seats. And I think the effort has finally paid off. There was a sense of confidence among the NDA leaders and also the voters were intact. The voters were looking towards a progressive Bihar, were looking towards a government that has advocated for the rights of every Bihari and definitely the development oriented politics that has emerged in Bihar is the sole reason behind this glorious victory.
Shambhaviji, Ankit has a question for you. Ankit.
I just wanted to ask you because Chirag Paswan has, your party leader has said that in the next election most likely his politics would be in Bihar more than that is at the center. Does this set Chirag Paswan on the stage for 2030 as possibly the young top leader of the EBCs as well, if that space is given by Mr. Nitish Kumar by 2030?
I think our national president Chirag Paswan ji had already established himself as a leader after the 2024 Lok Sabha polls, and there was no doubt that he is already an emerging face for Bihar politics. But for 2030, I think we will have to wait and watch. It is solely our leader's decision, and whatever the party decides. Right now, our focus is to deliver on our promises that we've made in the Vidhan Sabha elections and focus on our delivery.
Jem Rig has a question for you, Shambhaviji.
Shambhaviji, the way the numbers are adding up, Mr. Paswan can certainly hope that one day, just with the support of the BJP, he can become chief minister with a couple of.
आयो सुबह से लड़ाई करा रहे हो, उनकी जीत भी गए फिर भी लड़ने में लगाए हो आप।
आज थोड़ा तो तड़का लगाते हैं। Now, the आंकड़े ऐसे जुड़ रहे हैं कि अगर हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी और लोजपा की टैली ऐड कर रहे हैं, दूसरे छोटे दलों को भी ऐड कर ले, मात्र 5 अधिक विधायक लेकर एक अलग से सरकार बन सकती है। क्या भविष्य में कभी ऐसा मतलब what would the ambition of LJP be in simple words?
नहीं, आई थिंक लोक जन शक्ति पार्टी का फिलहाल तो बस एक ही गोल है. देयर इज ओनली वन एम्बिशन फॉर अस एंड दैट इज टू डिलीवर ऑन आवर प्रॉमिसेस दैट वी हैव मेड इन द विधानसभा इलेक्शंस. आवर नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट श्री चिराग पासवान जी is intact with the NDA alliance and he focuses on working with our Chief Minister Nitish Kumar ji. So definitely there is no space for political gossip here right now, but we'll see how things. Nobody knows what the future holds.
Wow. 201.
Basically trying to say provoking that BJP can form the government without Nitish Kumar.
वही तो बोल रहा है, सुबह से वही थ्योरी दे रहा है.
अमित शाह if he wants it, he can form.
लगा कि कुछ एक्साइटमेंट हो जाए. ये तो मजा नहीं आ रहा.
Trying to provoke
डालने वाला जो एक आदमी होता है ना, अच्छा खासा घर चल रहा है, 200 के पार गठबंधन हो गया. जैन लोग इज लाइक नहीं, कुछ तो झगड़ा होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, तुम दोनों टूट के अलग से सरकार बना लो.
Can I just make a point? While we have to give full credit to BJP for their great strike rate, and JM Rooks this naughty kind of question and prodding. Fact remains that in the BJP's and Chirag Paswan's party's tally also, there is the Nitish Kumar vote adding up. That's why it is becoming this big tally.
So while we continue to criticize what will happen to Congress, where will they go from here, the fact remains that in large swaths of India, the BJP has to ride piggyback on its allies, whether it's Maharashtra, whether it is Bihar. See, because BJP doesn't have a big ally in West Bengal, we can't just extrapolate this election into West Bengal because there is no Nitish there is no Chirag there. So, at some level, BJP is also riding on the
So we'll
back
build
of
on
its
this. I
allies.
want to ask Shambhavi before we
Why
let her
and vice
go,
versa?
what does the LJP celebration look like? How does because you're young, Chirag is young. How does a LJP party celebration look like?
आप भी कर सकते हैं
What's the jam?
अपने आप नहीं कर सकते
So our national president Chirag Paswan ji basically is a workaholic. So
Yeah, this is a very boring and
Get to work.
cliched kind of answer. What's the real answer, Shambhavi ji?
We get to spend. I think it's basically just chilling for a bit, like talking to each other about how things panned out, and then he is like, okay, now get to your constituencies, get to work, and work harder this time so that you stand up to what people are expecting out of you.
I think I'll have to ask this question off camera as well to get a real rooted, more to the ground kind of answer.
I think
but-
you'll have to ask Chirag Bhaiya this question. I think he is the better person to answer
No,
this
but
question.
I
And
can,
maybe
I
you should
can
also ask
anticipate
him
what
why
his
he doesn't
answer
do
may
this.
look like. He'll say, "Come with me to Marine Drive." कुछ खा के आते हैं, and he goes with his bouncers to Marine Drive, walking around. नहीं नहीं उसको पॉलिटिक्स पटना में करनी है, मुंबई में उसका इंटरेस्ट नहीं. आप सुन नहीं रहे हो, तब से तो बोल रहे कि he'll do politics in
Yeah.
बिहार. आप उसको बॉम्बे भेजो, छोड़ दिया बॉलीवुड, छोड़ दिया बॉलीवुड. Okay, Shambhavi ji, thank you very much for joining us. This is a historic victory for the NDA, for sharing your thoughts. Thank you.